Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entri. I am Mirza Shambeg, your quant educator, and today I am going to discuss very important part from your preparation. Look at this, look at the topic IBPS Clerk 2018 Prelims paper. So in this section, as you know that the prelims paper is of 35 questions for quant section. Alright. Now I will discuss about 10 questions, that is 1 to 10, and that takes a simplification part. Alright, that is a simplification part. And after that we will be discussing about word problems, or you can say arithmetic problem, and DI section as well. So there is a thing that you need to address, and just watch the method to solve the question in an organized manner. If you're not solving these kind of questions in an organized manner, you might not be able to perform well. All right, because look, quant section is distributed in 3 parts: easy, moderate, and difficult. I would prefer lengthy word than difficult. One thing you should know that first you need to attempt easy section, and then you will go to moderate, and then if the time has been left, if you have been left with some time, then you can go to what? Which section? Lengthy section. So you need to remember the procedure. If you don't remember the procedure, you might get stuck in the time frame. Why? Because your time has been restricted to 20 minutes for individual subject. Did you get that? Okay, so let's move on and let's see what the questions are like in simplification. You just need to remember the concept of board mass. If you remembered the concept of board mass, you can solve any of the problem in simplification segment. So let's move on and let's see what the first question are like. Look at this. Question mark square 9 square plus 34 and its bracket, and according to board mass rule, we need to solve bracket first. Okay, let's say that question mark stands for x. So x square 81 plus 34 divided by 5 is equal to 39. Okay, so x square plus 515 divided by 5 is equal to 39. So it will be 23. X square is equal to what? 16. So x belongs to 4. Hence your option C will be simple. Okay, it's a brilliant question. You just need to remember that you have to solve these kind of questions quickly. When you're sitting in the examination, you don't have to write all these things. Just quickly solve it in your mind, because bracket will solve first according to board mass rule. After that you will divide, because there is no off, and then you will move towards the other procedure and you can solve the question easily. Okay, so let's move on and let's see what the next question are like. Here is the next question. Look at this. In board mass, again we will use board mass rule. So first division and then multiplication. Okay, 6 into 16 into 5 by 3 minus x square is equal to 96. So we can use the method 10 160 minus x square is equal to 96. So x square is equals to 64. That means x equals to 8. Hence your option B will be the correct one. So it's an easy one, and you just need to remember you have to attempt easy section first, and then you will move towards what? Difficult or moderate section. Basically you need to identify the question between moderate and difficult. If you have learned to identify between moderate and difficult questions, you will be able to excel in the examination, because there is the only secret which you have what? Elaborated. Next question is in square root of 124 plus x plus 169 is equal to 18. So let's do whole square on both the sides. If you're doing whole square on both the sides, that means 124 plus x plus 169 equals to 324. Okay, 9 4 13 and 6 3 9 and 2 plus x 3 2 4 24 and 7, what? X equals to 31. All right, So we have figured out this question easily. Look at the timing. I am just taking within 1 minute while explaining it to you as well as writing, so you can see the procedure easily. Okay, you don't have to write all the things in the examination. Just remember one thing, just solve it in your mind. The more you solve it in the mind, the more you memorize, the more less time the lesser time you will take. Okay, all right. Next question. Look at this. Here comes a lengthy one. You just need to understand the question. How can you solve this kind of question? All right. So here we have seen that it is nothing but a 15 square. It is nothing but a square of 15. All right. Let's see what the next question are like. Look at the next question. It is 28 square minus x cube is equal to 7 cube plus 225. One thing you should understand that this kind of question will be solved in what? Usually in an organized manner. If you're not solving this kind of question in an organized manner, you can get stuck. Let's say that you will start with 7 cube and 28 square. Then you will start. One thing you should know that this 225 is of 15 square. So how can we solve this? 28 square minus of 15 square, okay, is equal to x cube plus 7 cube. Just don't do anything. Now how can you solve this kind of question? Look at this. It is the form of a square minus b square, and as you know that whenever you get the form of a square minus b square, you will do what? A minus b and a plus b, because these are the product of a square, a minus b and a plus b. So first we need to subtract. That means we have been left with 13. Then we will have to add. If we are adding, we will clearly see that we will be getting 43. Now x cube plus 343. Now we can go move ahead. Now 13 threes are 39. 13 fours are 52. 52 5 5. Okay, 52 plus 5 55. Now we will have to subtract 6 1 2 equals to x cube. That means x will be equals to 6. So it was a good question. It will try to attract you so that you will keep solving, but don't solve this kind of question according to the examiner. Solve it according to yourself. Okay, so let's move on and let's see what the next question are like. Here comes the next question. 298 minus 13 square minus 2 cube. 298 minus 13 square. What is 13 square? 169 minus 8 is equal to x into 11. So basically the whole term will come as the product of 11. Why? Because the is equal to side is given in the product of 11. Now you can see that this 8 will be eliminated. 290. Okay, 290 minus 169 x into 11. That means we have been left with 121 x into 11. So it is clear that the value of x arrived as 11. So it is a good question, but you just need to solve it according to you. Look at this. Why I have chosen 8 over 169? Because we can clearly see that its unit is 8, and already 8 number has been given in the form of negative. Okay, next, x percent of 300. So you don't need to write this. I'm writing to make you understand. Okay, plus 16, 81 plus 7. Just write it directly. Then it will be solved. 3x plus 16 is equal to 88. That means 3x is equal to 72. So x equals to 24. So A option will be the correct one. Got it? Next question says that 4 by 7 of 21 by 32 of x 81 into 12. Now 7 3 4 3 12 12 gone. That means x equals to 81 into 32. Now need to learn about this method. Look, 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16, 16 3 19. 3 8s are 24, 25. 2592, 2592, option A. It was a piece of cake question. Next one. Look at this. 50% of x, that means clearly x by 2, plus 3, that means 120, is equal to 220. So x by 2 is equal to 100. That means the value of x arrived as 200. You just need to solve it in your mind so you can clearly see the picture. Next, look at this 33 whole 1 by 3%. It is surely, you just need to remember all the mixed fractions. So 33 whole 1 by 3% is 1 by 3 of x plus 32 into 42 is equal to 35 into 84. Okay, now x by 3, 42, 32, 2 to 4, 2 4s are 8, 8 and 6, 14. 2 4s are 8, 8 and 6, 14. 3 4s are 12, 13, 13, 44. Alright, the next has to be solved in a quick manner. How? 84, 35. Look, 5 4s are 20, 5 8s are 40, 42, 42 and 12. What? 42 and 12, 54. 3 8s are 24, 29, 2940. That means we have to subtract this and we have been left with 6, 13, 4, 9 and 8, 5 and 1. So x by 3 equals to 1596. That means x equals to multiplied with 3. Alright. Then we'll be getting the value of 3 6 are 18, 3 9s are 27, 28, 3 5s are 15, 17, 3 1s are 3, 4 4, 7, 8, 8. Hence your option A will be the correct one. So you just have to understand the concept. Sometimes you will be getting a lengthy, look at this. You cannot solve this kind of question unless you do a product. Yes, you can approach some different way. How? Just learn the method. Okay, look at this. Let's say that you are going 35 into 84 minus 32 into 42. How can you solve this? You know that it belongs to 14. It belongs to the product of 42. Look at this. Because 42 2s are 84. So basically 42 has been common. Okay. Let's see whether other things are common or not. No. There is no such common in 35 and here. Now, one thing you should know that if you can see that 4 and 8 is the product of 32. And if you take, or you can say that 2 and 16 is the product of 32. When you take the common 42, it has been left with only 2. So not only 42, the whole 84 can be common. So the whole 84, if the whole 84 has been common, that means this 2 will also be common. While the first part has been left with 35, the second part has been left with only 60. Then you can solve the question easily. Just product it in the 2 manner. Okay, just need to concentrate the question. Alright, let's move on. Here comes the next question. Still getting the lengthy ones, but this portion can get eliminated. Okay, let's look at this. X square plus 473 is equal to 24 into 43 minus 2 by 3 into 501. So 3 ones are 316 and 7. Okay. So x square plus 473 is equal to, now if we multiply 43 into 24, look at this, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 16 1, 17, 17 6, 17 6, 23, 2 4s are 8, 1032 minus, okay, 2 7s are 3 3. Okay, so we can figure out this kind of question. All right, look at this. Now what can we do? From 12, that means we need to subtract 334 from 1032. From 12 to 4, we have been left with 8. 12 to 3, 9. So 9 to 3, 6. Okay, so 6 9 8. X square plus 4 7 3. Now it is clear that if we put 5 in unit, of this number square, then we can get an addition of 698. Otherwise we won't be getting. So if we are adding, let's say that x value is 15. If we are adding 225 in 473, 225, the whole option will be matched. That means the value of x will be 15. So you need to be smart enough to deal with such kind of situations. Okay, so I hope you have understood the concept of today's class. When we meet in the next class, we will discuss some more problems. Till then, thank you, keep watching Entry and be safe, and good luck for your examination. Thank you.